In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your Mazda CX-5. It's very easy and it's only going to take us about 2 minutes. Let's get started. Open the driver's side door. Now we will release the primary hood release lever that is right there by the driver's left side foot. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Mazda emblem there, that's where the secondary release lever is. So put one finger in there, push it to the right, and then pull up the hood. Pull the prop rod out and put it in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now the hood is stable. Now the engine air filter is right behind the left headlight in that box over there. To take that box out, first we'll need to take off those two clips, 1 and 2, just pull them, it'll come right off. Now we need to grab the box, slide it out of there and lift it. So grab it, pull it out, lift it up. And the filter is right underneath there. Just grab the filter and pull it right out. As simple as that. Now get the new filter. Make sure that this is the side that goes on the top, this is the side that goes on the bottom, and just put it back in. It should sit flush. The filter is designed to be the exact same size of the box. See how it's sitting flush over there? Now to put the cover back on, make sure it slides into those slots in the back first. There's 3 slots over there. Then simply put those metal clips back on. That's 1. And that is 2. Now let's just close the hood. Push the hood up a little bit. Pull the prop rod out. Put it back in its slot. Bring the hood down. And then slam it shut.